Okay, ready? Oops. Oops, it's like a car wash. It's like a birdie wash. Oh, where'd you go? Over here. I don't know, you want me to wipe you with it? I'm not really sure what to be doing here. Oop, you're trapped. Okay, I admit that the lighting situation here is not ideal. I'm gonna hold it. Ooh, you're soaking the camera. Okay, where's the lettuce? We lost it. I lost the lettuce. Just a second. Okay, I'm gonna reach in very quickly to get it. Oops. I'm just gonna stand on it. And climb inside. Whee! We don't want to drown anybody. Whoa, little dive. There you go, such a good boy having a little sunshine bath. Whoops.